What's going on, everybody? Today's video is going to be a little different. Now, I think it's safe to say that this is a tech channel, and the majority of the tech that we deal with are computer builds. We sometimes dabble with console. But when my car gave me a warning that the battery in my key fob was dying, I thought to myself, well, that's a piece of tech that someone else might need a hand with. For those of you that don't know, and I learned this lesson a few years ago, if the battery or the key fob in general dies, you can start having issues with your car, including not having it start at all. And I'm really happy my mechanic didn't make fun of me when I had my car towed that day. I miss you, 06 Mitsubishi Galant. Today I drive a 2014 Chevy Cruze. So obviously, that's the key that we'll be working on today. Let's zoom in for a closer look. Here's my key. It has seen better days. I need to get it replaced, but until I do, we need to take care of that battery first. This is very simple, easy, toolless entry. First off, next with this groove open here, you want to grab on right about here and just pry open. When you do, you will be alarmed by the amount of pocket lint that somehow made it into your key. At which point, I recommend taking your wife's toothbrush and a can of air and cleaning that out. Beautiful. Now to take the battery out. If you have a knife with a thin blade or a small screwdriver, you can probably get in there and pry that out. Or, ta-da! Now the battery number that you want for this is CR2032. As luck would have it, got one. Nowadays, most of these batteries have a chemical smell to them to keep them from children putting them in their mouth. I have two small children. I have avoided this problem by not keeping batteries in their room. Now, there's a little lip right over here. Take your battery, slide it under that lip, and pop it right into place. Take your back, line it up, and click it back into place as well. You, my friends, are good to go. And look how quick and painless that was. I haven't edited this video yet, but I'm willing to bet we're under the 2-minute mark. So if this was helpful, like, subscribe, share it with someone having key problem. And if computers and tech interest you at all, stick around because we've got a lot more of that. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.